Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to diagnose slow startup in Linux. We can use a system de-analyze blame with no option to see a list of system processes and how long they took to start. So we can type system on terminal, system de-analyze and just blame, hit enter. And here you can see system processes and how long they took to start. You can keep scrolling or you can exit. I'm going to exit and now I'm going to check with the user option. We can analyze user processes by using system d analyze blame dash dash user. And here are the user processes with the time. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code keep supporting me and thank you for watching.